Hey guys, from MrGeeksUnited.com, this is Sunil here on our channel Geeks Cafe. Today we have for you the unboxing of the media streaming dongle TEEWE. Alright, so now we've got the box out of the plastic, and this is the TEEWE media streaming dongle that has been sent over to us for review by our good friends over at Mango Man Bangalore. So you can see the TEEWE logo there, Empower Your TV. You have an image of the dongle. You have an illustration of the different types of media that you can share to your TV, photos, videos, music, YouTube, etc. To the other side of the box, we have an illustration on how we can set the dongle to pair up with your TV. And to the back of the box, we have more information about the dongle. We also have the contents mentioned at the bottom of the box. It's got one TEEWE media streaming dongle, one extender, one power adapter. Okay, so let's get on with the unboxing. You're greeted by a welcome logo on the box. To the sides, we have no additional information except for the logo. So using my trusty unboxing knife to get the seal open. There you go. So now let's get the dongle out. Alright, so here's the first look at the TEEWE media streaming dongle. Bigger than the average pen drive. Alright, on the front you can see the TEEWE logo, and you can also see the HDMI jack. These would be the air vents, and here you have the micro USB which is required to power device up. Alright, let's have a look at what else is in the box. You have the usual documentation. It explains a bit more in brief of what TEEWE is. Further into the box, we have a pull-out case which reveals cables. So this is the extender for the dongle in case the HDMI port on your TV is in a crammed up space, and if the TV dongle would not stay upright or it's very hard to connect, you can use this extender and easily connect to the HDMI port on your TV. And here you have the power adapter, which has a micro USB which needs to go on the device so that it can be powered up for use on the TV. Alright, so that's all that's there in the box. So that was the unboxing of the media streaming dongle TEEWE, which has become all of a rage in India, and I'm sure that it's going to be hitting the international market soon. We'll be having follow-up videos on how you can set this dongle up to be paired with your mobile phone and how you can easily stream your videos directly to your TV. So keep watching this space for more. Don't forget to like this video and also hit the subscribe button. This is Sunil signing off.